Hey guys, so today is going to be a day in the lifestyle travel vlog in Ilovik, Croatia. So follow along, see what we get up to today. We're going to attempt to go kayaking. That should be fun. See, what we can do. It's Sunday afternoon. A lot of people are sleeping, napping after church. We didn't go to church because we're kind of social distancing, staying away from everybody. So we've kind of just been staying in the house or doing like hiking on our own. Now we're going to try kayaking and staying away from everyone. Follow along, see what we get up to. Thanks. Oh, I gotta blow up our bar so that we can drink while we're swimming and floating. Fill it with some ice and beers. I don't know, I need a pump, I think.
Nope.
There he is. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
It's not a bee.
Wait, what are the things that are coming out now? The hornets? Because it's 2020.
The murder?
Murder hornets. Here they come. I gotta use the one-way valve. And then we have to get out the kayak.
Mm-hmm.
You're gonna do most of the heavy lifting.
Yep.
Ah! That didn't work very well.
Epic fail.
Okay, I think it's pretty good.
Looks good to me.
Fill the middle with ice. Ice and beers in the middle. Closed beers. Open beers on the side or drinks. Or water. Tie a rope around the rainbow and let it float around while we're kayaking. Go pick up a drink. Good idea?
Excellent idea.
Okay.
Let's do it.
I'm ready. Mikey. We gotta get the kayak out. This is gonna... Let's see if the door's gonna open. You may have to push it. Oh, it worked. Okay. It's a little stuck. So you do need help is what you're saying. Should I try to video with one hand and carry a kayak with the other? It's not that light. Oh, jeez. A lot of complaining going on. Making me do the heavy lifting with you. Mikey.
Yes.
I have an idea.
What's your idea?
We take the plastic bottles and we take some to-go cocktails.
To-go cocktails?
Yeah.
All right.
Instead of beers.
Sounds good to me.
Just for the kayaking trip. These kind of bottles. What did you decide to make, Mikey?
Gin and tonic.
Just gonna use the existing tonic bottle and just add some gin to it. I, on the other hand, am searching for something. Ooh, I forgot that I left my gemischt here. Whoops. Maybe I should just do that. A little wine and mineral water. A little bubbly, a little spritzer. Maybe that's a good idea. Not drinking alone if you are social distancing.
Do you have some lemons?
We have an entire tree full of lemons. So we got plenty of lemons. Of all the things, that is the one thing we have plenty of. You got your fresh lemons in there?
My fresh lemons, I got my tonic, my gin.
And your water.
Cocktails to go.
Water for hydration.
How's your drink?
Delicious.
Cheers.
Is it swimming hour?
I don't know. I'm enjoying myself right now.
Time to take a break after I made you paddle the kayak the entire way.
It's awesome.
Cocktail hour on the veranda.
Olive oil spilled on the outside of the bottle. Croatia problems. I need to get that.
Better get that.
Okay, I'll continue this. Let's see. On the flag. These are gonna be strong, I feel like.
No, I think you did a good proportion. When we're like lonely and we miss Ilovik, we'll be able to watch the videos and we'll be the only ones viewing the videos. No big juice bottles? No big juice bottles, so we have to return the Coke one. And the juice ones we could throw out. He was like, do you want to open them here? Are you going to be able to carry them? I was like, I got it. When you have plenty of rum but not enough juice.
Don't you worry.
Oh yeah?
What we got here? Marelica.
Okay.
So good.
Where's your cup? See if you can make it this far.
Swim up pool bar. Donna's like, I don't want to be in your video.
Making a video? Why am I making a video?
See the shoes, Joseph.
Takes a real man to wear pink.
Mix it with your fingers. Pink Crocs, especially.
Yeah.
Hope you guys enjoyed our day in the life travel vlog. A little too much fun this weekend. It is a weekend, so not really doing much work today on a Sunday, but this week we will be working from home, so not as fun. Kayaking, a little bit of juice, we'll call it, and we'll let you know when we're ready for the next party. Talk to you soon.